Say goodbye to belly bulge with these 5 bloating, banishing teas. Bloating can be a real nuisance. It not only causes physical discomfort but also makes us feel self-conscious. Whether it's triggered by certain foods, digestive issues, or hormonal changes, finding natural remedies to relieve bloating is crucial. Lucky for us, nature provides a variety of teas that not only taste delicious but also have powerful anti-bloating properties. In this curated blog post, we'll explore 5 teas that have proven time and again to banish bloating and help you feel your best. Peppermint tea. The soothing belly elixir peppermint tea has been used for centuries to ease digestive woes. The active compounds in peppermint, such as menthol, have remarkable effects on bloating and gas. Not only does it relax the muscles of the gastrointestinal tract, but it also prevents the accumulation of gas, providing relief from bloating. To make a perfect cup of peppermint tea, start by boiling a cup of water. Add a handful of fresh peppermint leaves or a peppermint tea bag to the boiling water. Let it steep for 5-10 minutes. Once it's ready, sit back, sip, and let the soothing belly elixir work its magic. Ginger tea. The digestive powerhouse ginger has long been revered in Ayurvedic medicine for its impressive benefits on digestion. This root is a digestive powerhouse, known for its ability to stimulate digestion and alleviate bloating. It reduces inflammation in the gut and relaxes the muscles, allowing food to move smoothly through your digestive system. To prepare a warming cup of ginger tea, start by peeling and slicing a small piece of fresh ginger root. Boil a cup of water and add the ginger slices. Let it simmer for 10-15 minutes. Strain the tea into your favorite mug and enjoy the comforting aroma and taste as you bid adieu to bloating. Chamomile tea. Calming and bloating. Busting chamomile tea, long recognized for its calming properties, can also help with bloating. This gentle yet potent tea has been used for centuries as a natural remedy for various ailments, including digestive issues. Its anti-inflammatory properties can soothe the digestive system and reduce bloating. To brew the ideal cup of chamomile tea, bring water to a boil and pour it over a chamomile tea bag or dried chamomile flowers in a cup. Let it steep for 5-10 minutes, allowing the chamomile goodness to infuse the water. Savor each sip as you relax and let chamomile work its magic on stubborn bloating. Fennel tea. The ultimate digestive aid. Fennel, a flavorful herb with a rich history, is renowned for its digestive properties across various cultures. In addition to its distinct taste, fennel has a unique ability to relax the intestines and reduce abdominal discomfort caused by bloating. It can also promote the release of digestive enzymes, aiding in the breakdown of food. To create a delicious cup of fennel tea, crush a teaspoon of fennel seeds and add them to a cup of boiling water. Let it steep for 5-10 minutes, allowing those aromatic oils to infuse the water. Sip and enjoy the soothing effects of fennel as it banishes bloating and helps your stomach find peace. Dandelion root tea. Detoxifying and bloating. Dandelion root may be considered a weed, but it certainly has remarkable health benefits. This root has been used as a natural diuretic for centuries, making it an excellent choice for reducing bloating. It helps eliminate excess water weight and supports kidney function, aiding in detoxification and digestion. To prepare a cup of dandelion root tea, bring a cup of water to a boil and add a teaspoon of dried dandelion root or a dandelion tea bag. Allow it to simmer for 5-10 minutes, ensuring that all the beneficial compounds are extracted. Sip on this earthy tea and bid farewell to unwanted belly bloat. Conclusion: when it comes to banishing bloating naturally, these 5 teas are champions. Peppermint, ginger, chamomile, fennel, and dandelion root teas offer not only a delicious and comforting experience but also potent anti-bloating properties. By incorporating these teas into your daily routine, you can say goodbye to belly bulge and hello to